So I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually make money online, especially right here in Nigeria, just with my smartphone. Now, this particular method right here might actually work out for you and it might not work out for you, but it actually works for me. And please, before I continue, you also need to know that this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I don't have any financial skills, no talk less of advising people on their finances. Take everything I'm talking about right here in this video as entertainment. If you're not from Nigeria, maybe you're from the US and you're from any other part of the world, please don't even take me serious. Just take this as an entertainment. All right. So I'm actually showing my practical steps that I personally use to actually make some money for myself right here in Nigeria. And since there is no guarantee that you might also earn money if you implement my steps, but I actually believe that if you stick with this video, you can actually learn one or two skills that you can actually apply for your own self. So let's get started. So earlier this month, I actually made a video telling people that I received some money from a particular side hustle that I actually used right here in Nigeria. I'm doing this because some people actually asked me, okay, so how can we go into this? How can we go into this? I'm showing you the steps I actually used that actually worked out for me. See me for the first time. My name is Solomon. Right here, I share different updates right here on my YouTube channel. So if you want to get more videos or more content from me, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. Thank you very much if you've done that. I really appreciate you. So the title you saw and the thumbnail, these are not clickbait. All what you need is your smartphone and ChatGPT. For those of you that don't know what ChatGPT is, I believe nobody does, but there might still be people that don't know. ChatGPT is an AI, a free AI tool that you can use for research and you can use to actually do a lot of things. Mind you, you cannot make money with ChatGPT directly. If anybody tells you that there is a button in ChatGPT where you can click and you start making money, that is a complete lie. ChatGPT is just an AI assistant that can generate image, write, create codes, and do a lot of other helpful stuff. Now it's left for you to utilize this opportunity and use it to make money for yourself, or you can utilize this opportunity, use it. Yeah, different people use ChatGPT for different reasons. That is the fact. I use it for research purposes. In this video, we are going to be using ChatGPT for research purposes. All right, so stay with me. Let's get started. Start a new conversation, set it to web search. Now if you set it to web search, it's going to go on the internet and gather latest information about the topic you are asking it to research on. I have some money in my wallet and I was actually thinking of making more money with my money. I've been seeing a lot of advice from people. They say don't keep your money in your bank, and the banks are not really helping matters. Even if that money is there, I won't be able to benefit anything from it. So I started doing research on how I can actually make my money work for me. If you don't know what mutual fund is, let's ask ChatGPT what is a mutual fund. Mutual fund in Nigeria is a type of collective investment schemes, also called a unit trust or CIS, that pulls money from multiple investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of assets such as stocks, bonds, money market instruments, or sectors, managed by a professional fund manager under regulatory oversight. Well, you can actually do more research on mutual funds and how to earn from it. All right, but I actually asked ChatGPT to give me different mutual funds to actually go into, especially right here in Nigeria, and it actually gave me some mutual funds right here. So let's go back to our main topic of today. So I asked ChatGPT top 10 best mutual funds investment apps in Nigeria. Carry wise, it gave me this one, Piggyvest, Invest Now. It gave me Truth. It gave me Chaka. I've not heard of this one before. If you've heard of this one before, let me know in the comment section. I've heard of Bamboo. This other one, Rise Vest. I've not heard of this before. This one right here, they call it I Invest. You can see, and this one they call it Optimus by afrinvest. SFS fund. Now let's come back here. They say a quick comparison table. Let's see the one that should be easier for us. Number one, Carrywise. Carrywise is in naira and in dollar mutual fund. The minimum here is 100 naira. The risk and returns medium 18 to 23% return. Piggyvest is savings plus Investify from 5,000 naira, but I think it's lower than that. Medium risk and high returns up to 35%. Through stock market, ETFs and bonds, minimum here is 1,000 naira. Medium, the risk is medium and the profit is high. The next one here is Chaka. I've really not heard of this one before. Market dependent, so this one depends on the market. We have Optimus by afrinvest, fixed slash flexible portfolio. Varies, so the minimum amount to invest is actually varies based on you, right? And the risk right here is medium. Let's actually go with Optimus. So ChatGPT is actually giving us something right here. So it says Optimus by afrinvest to save and invest in Nigeria, combining saving tools, mutual funds, and invest in US stocks. The 4 mutual fund options on Optimus: afrinvest equity fund, high risks, high returns. The minimum right here is 50,000 to 50,000 in 90 days lock-in. afrinvest Bluetooth fund, APF, invest in T-bills, that which means treasury bills and commercial papers and fixed deposits. Minimum is 5,000 naira, which is not really 5,000. Let's go with this one of 5k. We want something that is actually low in capital. So the next thing you have to do is for you to get the Optimus app, sign up your account. You can do well to use my affiliate link, or you can use my referral code to sign up. All right. Thank you very much if you do that. You need to verify your ID, do all the verification. Once you finalize all the verification, they're going to open your account for you. So they have Opti-Lock right here, Opti-Target right here when you get 16 and 15%. They also have a referral program, and they have Opti-Flex. So if you click on invest, you can see they have mutual funds, they have US stocks. You can invest in the US stock market, Naira mutual fund and dollar mutual fund. So we want Naira mutual fund because we are in Nigeria. Have all these different mutual fund right here. A free equity fund, which is AEF. They have Nigerian International Debt Fund. You can see right here, and you can see their minimum price per share. The one that I like right here is this APF. Now, the reason why I like APF right here, the minimum right here is 100 naira. The current price for each share is actually 100 naira. Just come and keep buying anytime I have my small 3,000 naira. January, February, March right here, I actually use this particular mutual fund. Guess how much I got? I got 4,591 naira. The money that was in the wallet was not much. April, May, June, they sent my dividends this month of July. I got 33,244 naira plus 68 kobo. Wow, this is amazing. From 4,500 to 33,000 naira in 3 months. So they send your dividends say every 90 days. I think 145,000 total. That gave me this 33,000. So now my wallet right now, I have up to like 170k. I'm almost going to 200k. So if I have more in my wallet, I'm expecting more in the next quarter. It might be less, it might not be more. This is actually a low risk mutual fund right here, and it's giving me up to 18% YTD per annum right here. I believe it's going to be more by the next quarter, right? I just say, let me show you guys what I use personally to earn some money. But the truth is, there's actually no guarantee that this might actually work out for you. So I just say, let me come here and tell you guys how I actually make money online with my smartphone. So what do you think about this method? Do have a lovely day and bye for now.